It's time to embark on a thrilling journey through time as we uncover the astonishing ancestry of the Scots. Brace yourself for surprising revelations that will shatter your perception of Scottish heritage forever. Have you ever wondered about your roots? Where do you really come from? What if your DNA held the key to unlocking secrets about your ancestry that you never knew existed? Well, grab onto your seats, because I've got a story that will blow your mind. A groundbreaking new study has just unveiled some mind-boggling facts about Scottish ancestry, and it's guaranteed to leave you in awe. Imagine being just an ordinary person going about your daily life, completely unaware that you're about to discover something extraordinary about your family tree. Well, that's exactly what happens in this incredible tale. As you delve deeper into the fascinating world of genetics, you'll uncover shocking revelations that will make you question everything you thought you knew about your Scottish heritage. Get ready as we take you on a roller coaster ride through time. But wait, there's more. We've got even more surprises in store for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. And now, without further ado, let's dive into the astonishing world of Scottish ancestry and explore the jaw-dropping discoveries that await us. Hold on to your hats, because this is a journey you won't forget. The origins of the Scots. Before we dive into the surprising revelations about Scottish ancestry, it's important to understand the origins of the Scots themselves. The term Scot or Scottish refers to people with a connection to Scotland, both those born there and those of Scottish descent living elsewhere. Scotland is known as the land of the Scots, a name derived from the Gaelic word Scoti, which itself evolved from the Latin word Scotia. Historically, the Scots are a branch of the Gaelic Celts, who arrived in Scotland around the 6th century. They share a common culture and history with other Celtic nations, such as Ireland and Wales. Over the centuries, Scotland has been shaped by various external influences, including Viking raids and invasions, the arrival of Anglo-Saxon settlers, and the Norman conquest of England. Despite these influences, the Scots have managed to maintain their distinct cultural identity, which is reflected in their language, music, literature, and traditions. Today, Scotland is part of the United Kingdom, but the Scottish people continue to have a strong sense of national pride and identity. Now that we've established the basics, it's time to uncover the astonishing secrets that lie within Scottish DNA. Who are the Scots? Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of Scottish ancestry. If you're watching this video, chances are you're either Scottish or have Scottish ancestors. But have you ever wondered about the origins of your Scottish family tree? Where did your ancestors come from, and how did they end up in Scotland? Well, the answers may surprise you. According to recent studies, the Scottish people are the descendants of various groups that have migrated to Scotland over the centuries. The earliest known inhabitants of Scotland were the Picts, a group of people whose origins and identity remain shrouded in mystery. They were followed by the Gaels, who are considered the ancestors of the modern Scottish people. The Gaels arrived in Scotland around the 6th century and brought with them their language, culture, and traditions. Over the years, Scotland became a melting pot of different cultures as various groups migrated and settled there. One significant group was the Vikings, who raided and invaded Scotland during the 8th to 11th centuries. The Vikings were known for their seafaring skills and their ability to navigate vast stretches of the North Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. They established settlements in Scotland and intermixed with the local population, leaving behind a lasting impact on Scottish genetics and culture. The Anglo-Saxons, a Germanic people from England, also played a role in shaping Scottish history. They migrated to Scotland in the 7th and 8th centuries and settled primarily in the north and east of the country. The Anglo-Saxons brought with them their own customs and traditions, which blended with the existing Gaelic culture. Finally, the Normans, who were of French descent, conquered England in 1066, but their influence on Scotland was relatively limited. Nevertheless, they did introduce certain cultural and linguistic elements that can still be found in Scotland today. Each of these groups has contributed to the rich tapestry of Scottish ancestry, making it a unique blend of different heritages. Understanding the origins of the Scots is crucial for grasping the complexity of their genetic makeup. Each group brought with them their own distinct genetic markers, which have been passed down through generations. The mixture of Gaelic, Viking, Anglo-Saxon, and Norman genes has resulted in a genetic diversity that is unique to Scotland. When we delve deeper into the DNA of the Scottish people, we'll uncover fascinating stories of migration, invasion, and cultural exchange. The presence of certain genetic markers will reveal the influence of each group on Scottish society and help us paint a clearer picture of their shared history. By exploring Scottish ancestry, we gain a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of cultures that have shaped this enchanting country, ancient Saharan tribes. Now, let's focus on one particular group whose presence in Scotland might come as a surprise: the ancient Saharan tribes. Their connection to Scotland may seem obscure, but trust me, it's nothing short of remarkable. Thousands of years ago, members of these tribes embarked on journeys that led them far beyond the familiar landscapes of the Sahara. Driven by the nomadic spirit, they ventured across the vast expanse of North Africa, establishing settlements and leaving their genetic imprint on the lands they inhabited. Among these ancient travelers were the Berbers, a group known for their early presence in North Africa and their distinct language and culture. Their migration patterns took them through North Africa and into the Mediterranean region, where they interacted with various civilizations. The Berbers played a significant role in the trans-Saharan trade networks, connecting the Sahara to sub-Saharan Africa. Through their extensive trading activities, they facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and most importantly, genes across vast distances. As the Berbers traversed the trade routes, they encountered diverse populations, including those in Ireland and Scotland. Intriguingly, genetic studies have revealed that some Scottish individuals can trace their ancestry back to the ancient Berbers, showcasing a remarkable connection between these two geographically distant regions. This link serves as a testament to the far-reaching influence of the Berbers and their contribution to the genetic diversity of Scotland. The presence of the ancient Saharan tribes, including the Berbers in Scotland's ancestry, adds a layer of complexity and intrigue to the country's rich history. Their genetic legacy serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of human populations across vast stretches of time and space. By exploring the origins of the Scots, we gain a deeper appreciation for the forces that have shaped their unique genetic makeup. The contributions of various groups, including the ancient Saharan tribes, have left an indelible mark on Scottish society and culture. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of Scottish ancestry, we must celebrate the diversity that has enriched this captivating country and the fascinating connections that bind people across continents and generations. Unveiling the truth about Scottish ancestry is a testament to the interconnectedness of human history and the complexities of our genetic heritage. It challenges conventional narratives and encourages us to embrace the diversity that has shaped Scottish society. The presence of genetic markers linked to ancient Saharan tribes reveals the far-reaching impact of migration and cultural exchange throughout history. These discoveries remind us that our ancestry is a rich tapestry woven with threads from various civilizations that have left their mark on our DNA. By understanding the origins of the Scots, we gain a deeper appreciation for the forces that have shaped their unique genetic makeup. The contributions of different groups, including the ancient Saharan tribes, have enriched Scottish culture and identity. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of genetics, we must celebrate the diversity that has shaped Scotland and the fascinating connections that bind people across continents and generations. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about fascinating topics, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. I'd love to have you join this community of curious explorers. Your support means the world to me. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows what amazing discoveries you might make next.